My people, it is very shameful that this kind bitter statement is coming out from a mouth of Igbo man. Yes, the same Igbo people that Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. The same Igbo people that Nnamdi Kanu has lost many things, many lovely things, because of the same Igbo person is vomiting this out. My brother, Igbo people, when will we start to be loving our brothers? Even though we don't love any other person, let us love this particular man, Nnamdi Kanu, that have been fighting for us, that have been doing everything better for our own freedom. Yes, everything this man is doing is not for his own or his family, it is for our own good. My people, there is fire in the mountain. There is fire in the mountain. No one, I don't need to talk much. Just watch this. Ijele.
He will only live long if he stays inside there. I must buy him. Let them try it. I'm telling the presidency now, in order to avoid anarchy in Igbo land, that guy will buy there. Nnamdi Kanu, must buy there. Okay? In order to avoid anarchy, as they gave him life imprisonment, he must serve his life imprisonment. And without parole. Without parole. With all these things that happened. Did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to cut off Matador's penis or not? Eh? He is from Umutanze. Those of you from also, did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to come out Matador prick or not? And after he told them to bury him alive. Matador was buried alive on the order of Nnamdi Kanu. Direct order of Nnamdi Kanu. He said, Ijele Speaks, please don't expose your intention in Amu. In Amu, if naked warrior won't kill you, in the hide the secret. The only Lord that don't match him, you must collect. So there is, he don't match the high tension. Where in they go? Do you people don't know what terrorism is? Oh, buying a terrorist, no job, no law hold you. No law hold you if you buy a terrorist. So me, I don't follow on the price go to one party. Now I'm going to tell what boy I need. Only see not put up. Record me, cut this place. Now what Nnamdi Kanu what boy I need, what boy on no come to see. Those of us say, oh, we love Nnamdi Kanu. We get radio. The quiet radio. Open na ma bobu man or no, like line up where like no shishin get the way. Okay, for baby, if you baby here before. Also, you go buy your people. Una Igbo. Una say we go see all the shit maybe you all the cara na bun. All the cara na bun. All the shit maybe you thunder na fire you know. Like you know China you bury na ko you know na ko here. Oh, leave him. What did he do? Don't worry. Don't worry. I pray may they leave him. Eh? I pray may they. You see, Sarah reporter, stand show say if they want trial, make him stand for that gate. Me, I go fire him first. If I don't do, I make I die. Memo to kill me. Tell him, copy this one, go tell him. Say, anybody will say him mama born and where, they near him that day. Make them free him, just they near him for that day. If I no fire you, you go be victim of the intra-Igbo civil war. This is Igbo civil war in case you don't know. Oh, on a thing only one side go carry go ya on a phone. Thunder about we be doing me. You say you don't have right to buy, don't worry, come and become let the court declare you a terrorist, then we will explain it to you very well. Okay? Let the court declare you a terrorist, then you come out. That is when you will know where our power is coming from. Your brother Bukwegi. Iyafo is like Ezala Bukwegi, Iyafa Mukugebunu Nilengane. Man.